Alright everybody, I'm here at BLR Tuning. Guess who showed up? Had a date with BLR. I'm here with Bill.
What's up everyone? So we had Medusa in here. This is Medusa 2.0. It's got that ZX10RR motor in it. So now it's ECU flashed for the SC Projects exhaust. We installed the K&N high flow air filter. We uninstalled the old Power Commander 5 that was on it because we're not using that anymore because we're doing an ECU flash. So we got rid of all the restrictions, made it so it has maximum power that we can get out of it. Yeah, and we kind of detailed up the bike a little bit. Fire it up and let you guys hear it. Got a nice little chop through it at idle. It's already got some heat in the motor. It's already been through about 8 heat cycles. On the street. Come see us, BLRTUNING.co, that's our website. We're located downtown Vancouver, Pearson Man Caves. Look us up on Google Maps.